Hey guys, again, welcome back to my channel Axaxity. So, welcome all IELTS seekers to my video. So, this video is about today's IELTS exam review, that is morning sections review. Okay, so today the exam was conducted by both IDP and British Council. So, I got good reviews from my students, so I included all the answers too in this video. So, first we'll start off with the listening section as usual. So, in part 1, they got fill up type question and it was quite easy, and in part 2 they got MCQs, that means multiple choice question, and it was also easy, and in part 3 they got large MCQs type questions, so it was around 20 MCQ type questions was there. Part 3 was little bit tricky, and in part 4 again they got fill up type question, and it was also in moderate level. So the question type was only two type of question types was there, fill up type question and also MCQs type question. Okay, and overall it was easy to moderate. Now you can check out the answers too. I got almost all the answers. First one, Elsinore, Elsinore. Second, 0778962445. Third one, waiter. Fourth one, baseball. Fifth one, October. Six, beach. Seven, diving. Eight, Saturday. Nine, six. 10, radio. 11A, 12B, 13C, 14B, 15A, 16B, 17C, 18B, 19B, 20D, 21A, 22C, 23C, 24B, 25A, 26D, 27A, 28C. Sorry, I didn't got the answer for 29. So if you know the answer well means you can comment that below. 30B, 31 sharks, SHARKS. 32 coast, 33 catch, 34 ocean, 35 helicopter, 36 zoo. And you can write zoos. Then 37 paint, 38 diagram, 39 2005 and 40 public. So if you find any of these answers as incorrect one, or if you know the answers well, means you can comment below. Okay. So now we'll see regarding the reading module. Passage 1 was MCQ type question and true false not given type question. Passage 2 they got match the information and true false not given type question again. And in passage 3 they got list of type question, that means match the information type question along with fill-ups. So overall the reading module was in moderate level. Now we can check out the answers. First one D, second one C, 3A, 4D, 5A, 6C, 7B, 8 I didn't get the answer, 9 false, 10 true, 11 true, 12 true, 13 false, 14 H, 15C, 16I, 17B, 18C, 19A, 20B, 21, 22, 23, same, I didn't got the answer. 24 true, 25 false, 26 true, 27 3, 28 6, 29 7, 39, 31 4, 32 1, 33 2, 34 nest, NEST, 35 wind, and 36 moisture, 37 evaporation. Same 38, 39 and 40. I am not sure with the answer, so you can comment that below. Now we'll check out the writing section. Task 1 was a bar chart. I will discuss the task 1 after task 2. Okay, so wait for that. And moving on to the task 2, it was an opinion type essay. That means a balanced opinion type essay. So here you can check out the question. Some says that reading newspaper and watching TV news is a waste of time because it has no direct connection with people's life. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this was the question. Now you can check out the model answer too, how you want to write your essay if you want to score well means. Okay, first we want to start up with the introduction. So here you can see the introduction. In recent period, reading newspaper and watching television news has been common activities in modern human life, but there is contention significantly. Some people agreed with these statements, whereas others have the conflicting view. In my opinion, even though there is some disadvantages, I'm concerned that reading newspaper and watching TV is not a waste of time. Here in this essay, I will try to prove it with some examples in forthcoming paragraphs. So I included a general statement along with paraphrased version of the question. Then I included my opinion along with the outline sentence. That means what I want to discuss in the or what I'm going to discuss in the coming body paragraph. I just given one short outline regarding that. Then the first body paragraph, as far as I'm concerned that reading newspaper and watching TV is not wasting of time. Rather, it has much better benefits for people's everyday life. That's my topic sentence. For example, people can learn more beneficial things from newspaper about everyday life, like how to stay in a healthy lifestyle, how to use modern technology, how to love and treat each other, how to fight against the evil and the pandemic situations like COVID-19, and thereby we can take precautions to prevent the disease spreading. Along with that, watching TV news, we can acknowledge all around the world conditions easily, able to serve fantastic tip about the relation with each other. So that's all are the advantage of reading newspaper or watching TV. Okay, so if you have additional points or if you have more points to share, means you can add second body paragraph also about this advantage or the benefits of watching TV and all, or else you can talk about the other side. Okay, so moving on to the second body paragraph. In addition, there is some more direct connection with people's daily life by reading newspaper and watching TV news. That's my again my topic sentence. Firstly, living as a member of competitive planet, we must need to be updated to compete with each other. Otherwise, it is gonna be hard to get good opportunity. For instance, in developing country, people are not much reader as like developed countries. As a result, they cannot compete with them in international level. Secondly, people are always been the reason for environmental pollution and degradation due to lack of knowledge. So television has been given the advantage by broadcasting news about the awareness of pollution. Even the people can be aware by watching TV news and programs. So that's the additional points. Then in the third body paragraph, we can just mention about the other side too, because it's a balanced opinion type essay, so you want to mention about both the sides. Okay, in other hand, these media have some disadvantages too, like sometimes newspaper has been published fake news or ill-founded news, that means not based on the real fact, just to increase the circulation, sometimes short of value in articles with meaningless words. Moreover, some TV channels also broadcasting unauthenticated news, and they stand biased to support any political party or any particular community. These type of activities can mislead public. So that's all about the body paragraph. Then you want to conclude your essay. To recapitulate, that means to sum up, reading newspaper and watching TV news habits might be great advantage for people's life. So everybody should grab the benefit and start to make habit in everyday life. But we should take it with a pinch of salt. Okay. So that's all about your essay. I think you got an idea regarding how to write, how to present this essay. So, as I told you before, now we will see regarding the task 1. So, I already mentioned that they got bar chart. So, this was the question. The bar chart below show the percentage of young people in higher education in 4 different countries in 2000, 2005 and 2010. So, you want to summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. This was a repeated question only, and it was already published in Makar Task 1 booklet. So here we can see 4 different countries. So they written as country A, B, C and D from 2000 and 2000, 2005 and 2010. So it shows the percentage of young people in higher education in 4 different countries. Okay. So first we want to write the introduction. In introduction, you want to paraphrase the question statement. Then you want to write the overview with the main ideas. That means what all are the main points, you can write it in overview, and then you want to divide the body paragraph into 2 to 3 according to your convenience. You can divide the body paragraph, and you want to include all the significant data in body paragraph. So here you can see the model answer. First, the bar chart illustrates. So the bar chart below shows, we converted it into illustrates. the percentage of youth in higher education in 4 different countries. So you can mention the countries too. So here they given it as A, B, C, D. So if you want means you can give that in bracket between 2000 and 2010. We just paraphrase the question statement. Then we want to write the main points in overview. Overall, it can be seen that country D had the highest proportion of youth enrolled in tertiary education over the 10-year period. So in overview, we are not allowed to use any numerical data. So we want to write it in wording only 10 10-year period. Also in all the countries, apart from country B, there was an increase in youth enrollment in the 10 years. So that's all about the overview. Then you want to divide the body paragraph. In body paragraph, you want to add all the relevant data. So the most significant rise in youth enrollment in higher education could be seen in country A and D. In 2000, about 38% of young people from country A were enrolled in universities, while in 2010, the proportion stood at 62%. Okay, that means it got increased. Similarly, country D also witnessed a substantial rise in the proportion of young people studying in higher educational institute, with the figures rising from 64% in 2000 to 80% in 2010. So we mentioned about 2 countries in the first body paragraph, about country A and also about country D, which shown an increasing trend. Then in the second body paragraph, we want to mention about the other 2 countries. In country C, there was an marginal rise and the proportion of the youngsters studying in universities went up by 6% to reach 52% over the decade, unlike countries A, C and D. There was a fluctuation in the percentage of youth in higher education program in country B. The figures fell from 46% to 41% till 2005, but then rose slightly to stand at 43% in 2010. So we mentioned about country C and country B in the second body paragraph, but it shows significant fluctuations too. Okay, so we just divide the body paragraph based on the trends. So you can divide the body paragraph based on any parameters, based on countries, years, trends, according to your convenience. But it should be understandable by the reader too. That means by the examiner too. Okay. So that's all about the morning section. So I will prepare one video regarding the evening section too. Okay. So if you find this video is helpful, means you can share with your friends who already wrote their exams in today's morning section, so they can just rewind what all things they wrote in their exams and all. And if you like this video, means please give thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification too, and try to select the all option, then only you will be notified about all the videos which I am going to upload. So stay tuned, I will be back soon.